Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to attempt to fix this crack in this lid, and the tools we're going to be using is a piece of sandpaper, we need a zip tie in matching color, and we need a lighter. In addition to all this, I'm going to be using one of these just to hold the lid in place. Okay, so the first step, put this in place. To keep it somewhat stable. And we take the sandpaper just to scuff the surface up a bit. Like so. And we take the zip tie and the lighter. While you heat it up, you can smear it out. Over the crack. And when you feel you're done, just smooth it out. Like so. Now the lid will last a lot longer, and And this method will probably work on most plastic stuff, not only on cars, but hey, anything plastic. Hope this tip was useful. Well guys, thank you so much for watching, and remember, like and subscribe guys, and I'll see you in the next one.